G'day everybody, it's Dan Volko from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove an overhead DVD player or screen from its Sahara Landcruiser. Okay, the tools you will need is a 10mm socket and a plastic spudger. Okay, let's get started. Now the first things we're going to do is remove these two light covers, and we'll do that by getting a plastic spudger in and just popping them out. I'll do the same to the other side and pop it out. Now that will expose one 10mm bolt there and one there. We've already removed ours for production purposes, but you'll need to remove those. Then this whole plastic surround will unclip, and it is held in with one electrical connection. Press the center pin and just put that aside. Okay, now we're going to remove this guy here. Before we start, we'll remove the electrical connections just so that we're not putting any undue stress on them. Now, they are in quite factory tight. Don't worry about that. Make sure to get them out. And the whole thing is held in. Besides the bolts, it's held in with some plastic clips. Right. Now that will stay there. These guys back here, I should have mentioned earlier, we'll need a pair of pointy nose pliers just to release that so that we can slide the whole thing out. So at this stage of the game, just support it up one end while you release the plastic clips, and once you've got that last clip, fold the whole thing down, and you can now send that off to Supertech Electronics for repair.